Urban Rhino Tutorials. I'm going to show you how to make a name keychain bracelet using these wood beads today. So I've already made one example here, and I'm going to show you how to make a second one. So I have my letters to spell out Vivian, my other daughter's name. I'm going to use these little geometric looking wood beads. There are different ones you can do. There's square ones, round ones, whatever, but I like these. So I have already painted the beads ahead of time, so I'm going to use those. And first I'm going to make this tassel component here. So I'm going to grab a hold of a bead cap. They call them tassel ends, bead caps, they have different names. So I'm going to squirt some hot glue in there, and I'm going to insert a tassel, the top of the tassel in there, and let that dry or cool down. If you don't have access to hot glue but you have some super glue, that works well too. I like the hot glue because it sets up, you know, almost immediately, and then I can continue working and I don't have to wait for the glue to dry. So there's my tassel. And let me get my letter beads
I have
here.
all of my beads painted. I have them stretched across a little Dixie cup with a toothpick. That way all of the sides can be painted, and if there's any drips, they'll drip down into the cup and they're not going to stick to anything. If you happen to get any of the spray paint, which I used spray paint for these, if you happen to get any on your nails and you have gel polish on, if you use lighter fluid, it will take it right off. So just a little tip for those of you who wear that. I am going to continue on and show you how to
Okay, so these are my finished painted beads here, and my letter beads that I'm going to use as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin by taking a piece of fishing line, and I have it cut to about 18, actually it's about 2 feet long, 18 inches is sufficient. And what I want to do is take my tassel that I made, and I'm going to slide it on to my fishing line and let it fall halfway like this. And then from here I'm going to put a crimp bead on both pieces of fishing line so that it keeps that tassel in place here. So the crimp bead goes on, and I'm going to crimp that in place. Find my pliers. From here, I'm going to start assembling what I've got here, my beads. So I'm going to just randomly put these on. Let's do the darker pink first. I'm putting both pieces of fishing line through the beads. And then I'm going to put her name on, and it doesn't matter which direction you do this. Either way works. And you can buy these letter beads in different colors. So you can get white, or they make black with white print. I like the natural wood ones, however. So I'm spelling out Vivian, my other daughter. My first one was Olivia. My Live and Viv. There's A, and the N. Okay. And then I'm gonna finish maybe by putting on my last 2 colored beads. And then all I need to do from here, so because I'm going to want to connect it to this, is I'm going to slide the crimp bead over both pieces of fishing line. Before I crimp it, and don't let go of that crimp bead because it will fall between the opening of these beads because they're bigger. So just try to keep track of it there. I'm going to use this little keychain connector here, and I'm taking my 2 pieces of fishing line and going through the little hook here and back through the crimp bead. Maybe. Okay. And then I'm going to pull all of that until I get it to the length that I want, and I want everything to be pretty close here. And then I'm going to take my pliers, crimp the bead, trim off the extra fishing line, and that's it. Pretty simple stuff. If you have questions about where to get any of these supplies, if I forget to include a link, please make sure you comment below. Otherwise, that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.